Terminate an account in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged into WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to terminate or delete a hosting account from WHM. Keep in mind that terminating an account in WHM also permanently deletes it off the server, so be very sure you want to do this before proceeding. Click the Account Functions link. Then click Terminate Accounts. Select the account you want to delete, then click Remove. Remember, clicking the Remove button here is permanent. You will only be able to get the account afterwards if there is a backup of it on the server or if you've backed it up yourself somewhere else. Click the Yes, Remove this account button to confirm. That's it. The account has been deleted from WHM and the server. Now go to the Account Information menu in the left side panel. Click the List Accounts link. The account we just deleted is no longer listed here in the list of accounts. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to terminate or delete a hosting account in WHM.